Hey, you. Yeah, you. How many times have you woken up, stared at the ceiling, and thought, ugh, here we go again? Then you grab your phone, scroll through social media, and boom. It's already noon, and you're still in your pajamas, feeling like the day is slipping away. Sound familiar? Don't worry, I've got you. Today, I'm going to teach you how to feel motivated every single day. Not once a month when the stars align, but every single day. And hey, before we jump in, if you've ever struggled with staying motivated, drop a in the comments so I know I'm not alone in this. 1. Forget motivation. Yeah, I'm serious. You might be thinking, wait, didn't you just say you'd help me stay motivated? Yes, but here's the deal. Motivation is unreliable. It's like Wi-Fi in a tunnel. One moment it's there, the next, gone. If you're waiting for motivation to strike, you might be waiting forever. And we don't have time for that, do we? What you need instead is a system. So remember, waiting for motivation, bad idea. Creating an environment where you can't help but take action. Genius. 2. Find your fuel station. Think of motivation like fuel. If you don't refill, you're going nowhere. So what fuels you? For some, it's music. You know you've blasted an epic song before tackling a big task. For others, it's coffee. Let's be real, that's more of an addiction at this point. Whatever it is, find your fuel sources. Here are a few solid options, inspiring books or videos, but don't fall into a YouTube rabbit hole, alright? People who fire you up. Hang out with them, soak up their energy. Movement. Physical activity is one of the best motivation boosters out there. Experiment and figure out what works for you. 3. Small wins. Big motivation. People think you need motivation first, then you take action. Nope, it's the other way around. Action creates motivation. When you do something, anything, your brain goes, oh cool, we did something, let's keep going. So, feeling lazy, do one tiny thing. Open the document. Write one sentence. Want to start working out but don't feel like it? Just put on your sneakers, step outside. Boom, you're already moving. Small wins stack up, and suddenly you're unstoppable. 4. Make it fun. Yes, even the boring stuff. If everything you do feels like a chore, motivation will be MIA. So, turn your tasks into a challenge. Race against yourself or a friend. Gamify the process. Use timers, set rewards. Add humor. Even the dullest tasks can be fun if you approach them the right way. Example, cleaning your room. Boring. Cleaning your room with your favorite hype playlist, dancing like an idiot. Now we're talking. 5. Stop beating yourself up. Start rewarding yourself. You're not a robot. You'll have bad days. And if you spend those days beating yourself up, ugh, I'm so lazy. Why can't I just do this? It won't help. Instead, try this. Okay, today wasn't great, but tomorrow I try again. And when you do get something done, even something small, reward yourself. No need to buy a yacht, but treat yourself to a nice coffee, a fun break, or an episode of your favorite show. Final words. All right, let's recap. 1. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes after. 2. Find what fuels you. 3. Start small and build momentum. 4. Make the process fun. 5. Stop the guilt tripping, start the high-fiving. Now here's a question for you. What's one thing you can do right now to feel more motivated? Not tomorrow, not on Monday, but right now. Drop your answer in the comments. I want to know what small step you're taking today. And hey, if this video gave you even a tiny bit of motivation, smash that like button. And if you want more no BS productivity tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Enough listening. Go do it. I believe in you.